Hello guys, Jain. Welcome to S Online. Those candidates who wants to join Ordnance Factory Chanda, then they have a golden chance to join Ordnance Factory Chanda because application is invited from interested and qualified graduate engineer, graduate of general streams and diploma holders for practical training for 1 year in the following discipline under the Apprenticeship Act 1961. And here all important apprenticeship category, number of apprentice and designated trade discipline and stipend is mentioned. First is graduate apprentice engineering stream. 45 number of apprentice can apply, and that means applicable for these important vacancies. Designated trade or discipline are mechanical 15, electrical 15, civil 15. Stipend is 12,300 per month. You will get 12,300 per month. Graduate apprentice general streams 45, Bachelor of Science 15, Bachelor of Commerce 15, Bachelor of Computer Application 15. That means three important categories, that means designated trade or discipline. 15 vacancies are out for this general graduate apprentice general stream, and you will get 12,300 per month as stipend. Technical technician apprentice diploma holders, 50 number of apprentice are available, mechanical 30, electrical 10, civil 10. You will get 10,900 per month stipend. Now let's see eligibility. Passed final year degree in engineering and technology or degree in general streams just like Bachelor of Science, Commerce, Computer Application and Diploma in Engineering Technology awarded by the recognized University Board of Technical Education of State. However, the selection will be made on the basis of merit of marks obtained in the final year examination of your degree or diploma. Okay, so not have training or job experience of a period of 1 year or more after attainment of the qualification. Should not have completed more than 5 years after obtaining the degree or diploma. And minimum age requirement is 14 years and there is no upper age limit. So if you are eligible according to this eligibility, then you have to apply. Okay. Interested candidate who fulfill the above eligibility criteria may apply offline for graduate apprentice or technician apprentice by 9 of July 2026 in the prescribed format which is available in the PDF. You can download the PDF and all other details and terms and conditions which is available in the official website munitionindia.in. Okay, and here pro forma of application is given. Application for the graduate technical apprentice at Ordnance Factory Chanda. You have to fix your photo and fill all important details. Okay. So this is a golden opportunity for you all if you want to join Ordnance Factory Chanda as an general stream or diploma holders apprenticeship program, and you will get stipend according to your category. So this is the end of this video. We will meet in next video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.